आज इंडिया फोरम्स का ऑफिस एकदम हैपनिंग लग रहा है, और हैपनिंग इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि हमारे साथ है बेइंतहा की आलिया, यानी कि आप सबकी स्वीट और बबली प्रतिका राव। प्रतिका, वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
थैंक यू सो मच।
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि बर्थडे के दिन हर कोई अपने घर में रहना चाहता है, बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहता, लेकिन प्रतिका ने डिसाइड किया कि वो इंडिया फोरम्स के ऑफिस आएंगे और बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करेंगी। सो आई वांट टू नो द रीजन।
द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज बर्थडे के 1 महीने पहले से काफ़ी फैंस मुझे मैसेज कर रहे थे, योर बर्थडे इज़ 1 month अवे, द काउंटडाउन बिगिन्स, वेयर डू वी सेंड गिफ्ट्स, वेयर डू वी सेंड दैट। सो आई थॉट कि लेट मी हैव one place where I interact with all the fans, and I sent a big request कि आप कोई गिफ्ट्स ना भेजें, लेकिन किसी ने मेरी बात सुनी ही नहीं। I mean क्या करें, यहाँ पे आते मैं गिफ्ट्स देखकर I was like taken aback 4 steps कि ये क्या है, you know, इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स आए हैं। Yes.
ओके, सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 2-2 केक से। ये केक भेजा है आपकी फैन ने, बीजल ने भेजा है ये केक फ्रॉम लंदन। सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से?
Wow, Bijal, I mean, London say you're sending a cake, and you coordinated with people here and done such a neat job, and you made sure that it's an eggless cake. How sweet of you. Thank you so much.
ओके, और यहाँ पे आज फैंस आए हुए भी हैं जो आपको मिलना चाहते हैं। सो लेट्स कॉल देम एंड उनका इंतजार खत्म करते हैं फाइनली।
ज़रूर, मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उनसे मिलने के लिए। हाय, here they come. नहीं। Why is he taking my आशीर्वाद? Hi, Jenny. Okay, so can you see all of them? Can you guys focus and see all of them? For you. Thank you so much, darling. That's so sweet.
These are chocolates specially made from Protege man.
You are okay.
Hope you.
Hi, thank you so much.
This is from Anupama.
अच्छा, वाढदिवसाची शुभेच्छा. Thank you so much.
नीचे भी पढ़ लो.
Hi.
This is from Anupama.
Oh, this is from Anupama. How much will Anupama send me? Which Anupama is this? Gupta?
Yes.
Anupama, how many gifts? I mean, I'm like overloaded with your gifts. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you also.
She's my niece.
Okay. And he's wondering where's my hug. Okay, fine. No. I don't blow candles on the birthday. Thank you. And as the ritual goes, I first give the cake to my fans here. Yay! And then I have it on your behalf. So, sorry, आपको बाद में मिलेगा.
प्रतिका, आज तक इतने सारे बर्थडेज मनाए होंगे, लेकिन सबसे बेस्ट बर्थडे कौन सा रहा है?
I think आज का बर्थडे सबसे अच्छा है because it's another experience for me. Sorry, I have cake all over my face. ऐसे मैंने कभी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया है किसी वेब पोर्टल के साथ, इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो I'll call them friends and not fans because they're actually connected. And yeah, I would like to interview all of them actually. Can you allow me to interview all of them? Yeah. So today, as you know, that we had a contest online, and I chose some fans on the basis of what they replied, and she's one of them. Richmond Jenny.
Rich Mitch Jen is my Twitter
Rich
handle.
Mitch Jen.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
And
Jenny.
Jenny is your name.
Yes.
So I want to know, I mean, what is it about me that is so special that you have come from Chhattisgarh? And Chhattisgarh, I know how far it is, and I know how long the journey is because it's a back-breaking journey even if you take a flight.
Yeah,
It's
and
too
I've come by
far.
train.
And you come by train. Oh my God! Only to meet me.
Yes.
I am so touched.
Yeah, all I can say that you're the first celeb. You're the only celeb who I wanted to meet in my life ever, and I can't even imagine like I'll be doing such a thing for anyone else. So when I won the contest, I was like, I mean, I couldn't believe that my name was there, and I just had to come.
How
I just went to my mom and dad. I said I won this contest and my name is on the top. I mean, I came first. So I
because your
wasn't.
answer was really nice. I remember.
Thank you so much. So I was the first one to reply. So my mom said, okay, if your dad permits you, then you can go. So I said, my dad said, okay, so if your cousin guarantees you, like my cousin stays over here in Bombay, so I can, okay, my God, this is going to be such a great experience. So I love you. And
Well, I think I'm blessed to have a fan like you because it's your love that makes me what I am today. Thank you. I should thank you because I've not done anything. I've just done my part. I've just acted.
I don't know any other celeb who connects with fans so much. I mean, on Twitter and in personal on personal level, and this is what I love about you.
Thank you because I take it as an opportunity by God. I think God has put me in a place where He's given me this beautiful opportunity of meeting people, connecting people who are capable of liking my work and loving me. So I'm eternally grateful for all of you.
It's my luckiest day in my life ever to just meet you.
I wish you had many more lucky days. You shouldn't be the luckiest. You should have many better days.
And I wish you all the best in your life, and may God bless you with all the success and happiness.
Thank you so much. So I can be here. Prajot
Tote.
Tote. Okay, that's a Maharashtrian name.
But I'm not a Maharashtrian.
What
I'm a
is-
South Indian.
Oh yeah, okay, you're a South Indian. Okay, actually, South Indians and Maharashtrians look pretty similar.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Yeah.
South Indian Maharashtrian to be specific.
Acha, okay.
Similar to you.
You're a sambar of everything.
Yeah.
So tell me, how come you're here today? I know you're here because you won the contest. I know you're here
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you want to
yeah.
celebrate the birthday with
No.
me.
It's basically what I see it as is it was destiny to me. That's what I think. Probably you would also notice that after Be India, I was not that active. Before Be India, you used to DM us, and I used to quite spam you also, if you remember. So after Be India, I just went low. एक जो स्पाइक हो गया था फॉलोअर्स का आपका बढ़ गया था, सो आई थॉट कि चलो बाकी सब लोगों को भी स्पैम करने दो, अकेला कितना स्पैम करूँगा. सो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट इट आउट एंड आई नेवर थॉट कि आफ्टर दैट डे कि आई वुड एवर मीट यू. इवन लाइक लॉन्गेस्ट थॉट नहीं था मेरा, बट आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू मीट यू. Like for the
By the way, I should tell you guys that he has also met my sister. Did you win some
Yes.
contest and meet her?
yes Agni contest.
You won the Agni contest and you
Yes,
met her?
I'm good at winning contests.
Look at this guy. I mean, he's met me and my sister both. I don't think any of you guys have done that, right?
I mean that's what I call it. It's a destiny to meet
We have a
you
special
guys.
connection with the Rao sisters.
Yeah, with full Rao family, I must say.
Really? Wow.
I mean, I literally admire the way you carry yourself, the way you are as a person,
Oh, thank you.
and I mean, you're like perfect take-home brides kind of thing. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here.
Same here. Yeah.
So fan meeting हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया. What are you feeling, right now? Mix of emotions. इतनी सारी तारीफें सुन ली.
मैं सबसे ज़्यादा impressed हूँ जेनी के साथ because I didn't expect कि somebody will fly down or I'm sorry she didn't get the tickets to fly, so she had to come by train. That's even more difficult. So I'm really touched by this gesture, and I mean, I wish I can do so much more for her. Then I'm just like interviewing her here on India Forums. Yeah.
प्रीतिका, आज तक इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स मिले होंगे, आपके फैंस ने दिए, फैमिली ने दिए, लेकिन कोई एक ऐसा गिफ्ट जो दिल के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है?
मैं एक गिफ्ट ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल सकती बिकॉज आजकल मुझे जो गिफ्ट्स मिल रहे हैं काफ़ी पर्सनलाइज्ड भी है, और जो पर्सनलाइज नहीं है वो भी इतने प्यार से भेजे जा रहे हैं, इतनी मुश्किल से टू एफर्ट लेकर तो आई कांट से कि एक कोई गिफ्ट बहुत प्यारा है. सारे गिफ्ट्स प्यारे हैं.
और प्रीतिका, आपको हमेशा वो गिफ्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं जो खुद से फैंस ने बनाए हो मेहनत करके. लास्ट टाइम यू सेड दैट.
I don't remember saying that, but I think I must have said that because there were a lot of people who were sending me personalized handmade greeting cards and all that. But कोई भी गिफ्ट अगर वो प्यार से भेजते हैं तो मेरे लिए ख़ास बन ही जाता है.
कल रात को सबसे पहले किसने विश किया था? मम्मी ने, पापा ने, सिस्टर ने?
मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट विश किया था. इनफैक्ट वी ऑल सेलिब्रेटेड द बर्थडे लास्ट नाइट, बॉट इन द बर्थडे, एंड आई मीन बट आज के दिन के लिए मैं एक्चुअली ज़्यादा बेकरार थी, बिकॉज ऐसा वाला बर्थडे मैंने कभी सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया है पहले.
और क्या शाम के क्या प्लान्स है, किस तरह से क्या सेलिब्रेट करने वाली, फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ?
फैमिली के साथ ही होगा, एंड एवरीबडी आई थिंक वी गोइंग टू गो फॉर डिनर. So I prefer birthdays with family.
Thank you so much. And lastly, what do you want to say to all the fans out there who are waiting for that fan message?
Even if you are watching this video and wanting to celebrate this birthday with me, that also makes it special for me. I know it's not physically possible for each one of you to come here to the India Forum's office. You guys are all over the world. So just thank you for watching this video, you guys. I mean, thank you for your love and so many gifts. Why? There is no need for all this. I've already told you. But thank you anyways. I love you guys.
Thank you so much, Ritika. And once again, a very happy birthday to you. Thank you. Cameraman Shravan के साथ Ritika Singh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Pritika Rao, आपकी आलिया from Vaintaha. You're watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to What's Up TV.